tolerance of genocide is an unusual concept that I'm not familiar with, that we ought to simply disregard the evidence of our eyes and ears and, disregard the annihilation of a people and annihilation of all their hospitals or universities, all the things that we've seen, and all the vile propaganda that goes with that. And if we don't disregard that, if we don't say, look, that's fine, if we're not like America and we give Benjamin Netanyahu 58 standing ovations when he goes to Congress, then we're anti-Semitic, And I think it's symptomatic of a state, the Israeli state, that's become completely dehumanized. These things are so grotesque, so beyond our experience, that it seems in our country inconceivable that we would endorse them and support them and say, well, yes, we understand that, And you cannot appease these people, as we have tried to do. You can't appease Dana Erlich or the Israelis, You cannot tolerate genocide. She has accused Ireland of gross anti-Semitism, And the Irish government, she said yesterday, is guilty of the worst current incarnation of anti-Semitism. And our anti-Israel obsession, get this one, does not help peace or coexistence. And you must hijack language and pervert it when you're doing what the Israelis are doing. And the fact that they've left, I mean, it's they who have abandoned the embassy. I think it's a source of shame for Ireland that that the motion in the Dáil to expel her was defeated. The government said, "Oh, we must maintain dialogue." What dialogue is it, do you think, that we should maintain?